Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. First of all, I would like to welcome you guys to this Data Science in Now with Usman Mushtaq in collaboration with Pakistan Learning Portal team video tutorial series. In this video tutorial, I will be showing you how to generate bar charts for categorical data. If you have any column in your data frame which represents some categorical data, how you can generate the bar chart for it. So as if you're following this video tutorial series, I hope you're already familiarized with basics, how to generate a plot or scatter plots or some high level or low level functions in this base R to generate the plots, and this bar chart to generate bar chart, this is also a high level function in base R. And so what I will be talking mostly, I will be starting with this from your data frame. How first you have to create the table using this table function, frequency table, and then from this table you can also get the proportion table with prop.table function, and finally you can use this bar plot function as it is, and then you have to pass the table first, and then this is x label is equal to number of species to change the x label or write the x-axis title. Then for pie, so in this video tutorial I will show you how also, because this pie chart is also used to show the categorical variables. So this is also very simple. You just have to pass this table, and then the main is your title of the graph, which is species. So finally the last thing, so if you want to represent your data, okay, you have a categorical data and you want to show in some nice graphical format, then you have to decide whether you want to represent in a bar chart or pie chart. So from my experience, I usually prefer bar charts because it shows the heights and it shows the clear difference how which categorical variable is having more magnitude and which is affecting more in your data and over the pie chart. So again, it's up to you, whatever the application you are working at, and then you can select pie chart or bar chart. So in this video tutorial I will show you how to, let's go to live coding session and then plot something there. So let me remove everything and move all the graphic devices. There is no graphic device. Then df is equal to iris. I'm taking the iris data set, okay, and I think you people are already familiarized with this iris data sets. You have sepal length, sepal width, petal length, petal width, and species. Okay, so this is my categorical data. I already know in this iris data set. So if you can also see there are 3 factors and only 3 unique values in this, and I want to represent this information on the bar chart. Okay, then what I have to do is I have to create the table, species table, from this df dollar species, because I want to see this column on my bar chart, bar plot. Control enter. Then I have the table. Okay, so I can print this table as well for you if you want to have a look at it. Run. So now you can see in this table you have 3 species. Okay, Setosa versicolor virginica. Okay, so all of having the 50 values, and I expect the bar chart having these 3 bars showing the equal magnitude. Let's plot it. Plot, shift enter, and then you see this bar chart. Okay, it's weird. Let me bit zoom in. Okay, so now you can see here. So on x-axis, x label, I put number of species. So here no need to put this mark hash, only species was enough, and this shows these are 3 species, and then here you can see the magnitude. So this is how you can represent your categorical variable in your data frame to a bar chart. And then if I want to see the species, the proportion here, I mean they all are 50 equal number of these species, and I expect the proportion should also be equal. So I will pass this table to this proportion.table function to get this proportion, species table proportion. Okay, this I can print as well here, and then you can see it is around 0.33 all, because they were 50. And then if I do bar plot again with this proportion table, I will see this percentage chart. You can see 0.33 as we saw in the table as well, and then it is the same bar plot in the end. Okay, so this was just to show you how you can do it. And then there is important thing, pie chart. How you want to represent this categorical variable which represent this species to this nice pie chart. So I have this pie function, okay, which will generate this pie chart. Let me press Control Enter. Okay, and then you can see this. I have now this pie chart. So here you can, so this size is small. Of course, there are some other parameters by using which you can adjust the size, and also these colors and other stuff. So here the main is my title of this proportional species which I gave, and this there is also a color vector C, red, green, blue I gave. So it gave red, green, blue. Okay, so this is how you can represent your information in bar chart or in bar chart or pie chart. So this was the another interesting video tutorials in this visualization series. And once we are done with this basic R graphing, then we will move further to the advanced visualizations in ggplot and plotly. So from my side, that's it for this video tutorial. I hope you people will be able to plot this basic bar chart or pie chart. And if you have any questions, you can comment below in the comment section. And or if you are any facing problems or having errors while running the code, then also you can write it down. And thanks for your likes, thanks for your subscriptions, and stay tuned for more interesting stuff. Allah Hafiz.